How to install APK files on Android. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to install APK files on Android. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So for example, you want to install the Facebook Lite APK. What you need to do is to just head over to your Chrome right here or to any browser that you have and search for the app name. So for this, Facebook Lite, and type in APK. So let's search for that, and you will see in here a lot of links that allows you to download that file. So what you need to do is just click on one link. So for me, I will click this link right here. Then after that, I can see the download button right here. So click on download. So after that, this will load for a while. This lets us to download. So click on download right here. Click on download anyway. Now as you can see, it has been downloading. So let's just wait for it to finish downloading. So after this finished downloading, let's click on this APK right here and click on install. Now as you can see, it is installing. So let's just wait for it to install right here. And as you can see, it has been done. So we can now open it and enjoy that APK. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to install APK on an Android device. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!